there, everyone. Fireworks have always been a fascinating toy, not just for kids, but even for grown-ups with families. There's just something so thrilling about hearing that loud boom. But I bet you've never seen fireworks used in such bizarre and hilarious ways before. So let's dive in and relive those childhood moments together. Pretty sure this is all of us the first time we played with fireworks. Oh my God, help me. Why is everyone leaving me behind? Well, this kinda takes the fun out of fireworks, doesn't it? What on earth just happened to them? Warning, do not try this at home with your grandparents. This kid just got himself into some serious trouble. Watch how he disappears. Truly professional. She must have had an amazing childhood. Sometimes speed isn't exactly a good thing. I need the address to buy this ASAP. I'm 100% sure he's getting slapped just like that too. That's a heart shape. Let me repeat it. A heart shape. I heard this thing costs $10,000 and poof, $10,000 gone in 5 seconds. Something about this feels off.
Huh?
A lot of people are definitely going to need this. Let's hope he makes it out of this in one piece. better run fast if he doesn't want any trouble. They're zooming off like torpedoes.
Huh? What? What the f?
He really should have poured that more slowly. For those who've never seen what fireworks do underwater. Guys, always play with these away from residential areas. This is a shockwave. Stay far, far away whenever you see big explosions. Looks cool, right? Have you ever seen this before? The power of 1,000 matchsticks. Kinda impressive, actually. This cat has absolutely no idea what just happened.
Huh?
When he gets home, there's definitely going to be divorce papers waiting on the table. If I were her, I would have whooped him right then and there.
Huh?
Run, now.
Funny, naughty, funny music.
The person launching those fireworks is definitely the bride's He walked away like nothing ever happened. These monkeys actually think it's food. Good thing this monkey doesn't have a magic staff. Wait, can this monkey understand hand signs? It kind of looks like a respectable professor.
Huh? Hmm?
If it were me, I'd be just as startled. Monkeys are not.
Mm?
Oh, wow. It's actually pouting.
Mm?
This food is kind of weird.
Huh?
A bite of food, a bite of shame.
Huh?
Who's entertaining who here?
Huh? Mm?
Surprise. This guy is definitely about to cause chaos in heaven. I'm calling it now.